ng tumataginting. Kung di nabawi ang 20 mil, sayang din. Naini talaga atin. Wrong send. 431,130 pesos. Konti na lang, kalahating milyon.
95.
Nako, sino kaya magsasarado? Dahil 498, isarado na natin na rin ang 500,000 piso. Sino kaya ang magsasarado? 2,000 na lang po. 500,000 na tayo. Yan! Ang foreigner! 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 Ha? Ang Chris! Chris ang pangalan? Oh my God, I'm so prepared. You're not English speaking in dollars? Okay, I will interview the foreigner. Of course. Can I know what is your name, sir?
Chris.
Chris, from what country you are?
Canada.
Canada! Let's give him a round of applause! Why are you here in the Philippines?
I'm here with my girlfriend.
Oh! Who's the lucky girl? Can I know who's the lucky? You're the lucky girl! Palakpakan naman po natin. What can you say about Filipino women?
Beautiful. Maganda.
Nagsisinungaling ang Canada. Lahat ng Pilipina magaganda. Hindi naman tunay. Parang ako hindi. How long you been together?
18 months.
Oh, how you met? How in your town? Whatever. Through Facebook? Through social media? What? Facebook?
Social media, yeah.
Social media.
Wow. Are you going to marry her?
Yes.
Wow! Are you going to propose now?
Not yet.
Excited ako ng tanong. Ay, pinaghahanda ng singsing mo. Ikaw nang haba na buhok, pasin mong buhok ang haba. Gupitan natin ng kaunti. Okay, are you enjoying this kind of wedding? Filipino traditional wedding?
Oo.
Is this your first time attending the wedding like this?
Oo.
So is it your first time here in the Philippines?
Oo.
Wow! So it's your 3 days fresh na fresh from Canada. How about the kangaroo in the Canada?
What part?
The kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
The kangaroo.
We don't have kangaroos. That's Australia.
That's a joke. I'm trying my best. It's hard for me to speak in English, but I try very much. I'm doing very well.
Wow.
So I'm doing very well now. So
Tagalog.
okay, so we have 498,000 pesos. Lacking 2,000 pesos. Magkano sa dollar ang 2,000 pesos? The conversation. Convert. Kung magaling kayo. We need how much? $40. $40 to complete the 500,000 pesos. Of course, she's looking at you. She's looking. Yeah! You get the money! Nasa kanya lahat ng pera. Ilabas mo ang $40. Para magkasarado na, are you willing to give the $40? Bunot na! Bunot na! Bunot na! Ayan, kinuha naman ang pera ng foreign. Ayan,
Nasa kanya na kasi, partner, wallet.
Nakobra na, nakobra. Sama. Ayan na, bumabunot na ng $40.
Abay, akin ho, aray.
Ayan, hindi pala ano ba yun? Kanya pala yan, hindi pala gaan sa kanit dyan. Yan na, akin na. Aba, taray ni ateng. Sana,
Hindi, wala ho kami dollars.
Bakit tayo love life? Kaya nga. Yan. Tayo magkakalit na sa Facebook. Magkakalit tayo ng Canadian.
Tanungin, partner. Tanungin mo kung may
2,000 only. Yan, baka mapalabis maging 3,000. Mahirap na. Yan na! Sinara na! Yan na. Neng diriring. From Canada! Palakpakan naman po na! Wait lang. Para kasi magre-reels tayo.
Sige, partner.
Sa cellphone mo, ready mo. Ito yung ina-upload sa reels, ha?
Sige,
Pag
tayo
sinabi
ka.
kong palakpakan ng Canadian, palakpak ng malakas. Iyon ang i-upload ko. Okay. Wait. Pag sinabi kong palakpakan ng Canadian, itodo nyo na lahat, ha? Kasi i-reels ko ito. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a round of applause from Canada, giving 2,000 pesos! Okay, dahil nagbibigay sila ng 2,000 pesos, you have to give a message. message to our newly couple? What will be your message to our newly couple?
I wish you long life and happiness.
Yay! Palakpakan ang foreigner! Yay! Maraming foreigner fan dumating. Oo nga, partner. Sana all mag-foreigner. Okay. Ay, 2,000 akin. Nagkakalimutan. Nasa na 2,000. Diyos ko, parang. Ah, ay, sarado na.